Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to convert my dress into a trendy peplum top. So this is me. It's fit for me that day, but nowadays is not fit for me because of I am little fatty now. So this is useless for me, but it's too lovely dress and its fabric is stretchable and it's looked like before, and I decided that how to use this dress another way. So I am trying to create a top. So let's get started how to create this. So first of all, I remove strap from the dress, and so many joining in this dress. So first of all, I started from shoulder. So unstitching the shoulder strap is so too hard for me because of it's overlocking there, but it's done. And after that, I unstitch from the side because of joining extra fabric there. And after that, I unstitch the fabric from the waistline uh, were used for the belt. So many joining there, so it take time more. You can also use your tight dress, unfit dress. You can use this way. You can easily attach extra fabric from side and use there, but you mind it fabric look like your dress, and you can stitch like me. So finally it's done unstitching. So after that, I'm using a lower part of the dress, uh, which length is 15 inches, and also use how much you want. So I cut this fabric where I draw maximum 2 to 3 inches. I cut from this lower part, and this is the final. And let's get started for the stitching. uh, this is a front part, and really I am attaching the strap for the front size, and you can also put like that, and some extra fabric for attaching for the hiding stitching, like that. Stitch it and flip it. It's same for things for the back side, and some videos are unable, so sorry for that. I'm showing here how to stitch further. And so this is the front part and draw like that from the shoulder to waist, like that. And some extra fabric used from there, you cut before from there, so you can use for the top ruffle. So this is the fabric, and you can use plated like a one to oppose one, and other is opposite, like that. And same for other side like that, and stays there where you draw. I'm showing in the video like that. You can also stitch, and after that you staged lower part with the upper part, something like that. I'm showing here. So this is done. This is the front part, and back part, this is very simple. So this is the final touch here, and I'm stitching upper part with the lower part. This is almost done. If you are not comfortable with sleeveless dress, you can try this type of sleeve. You can easily attach this type of sleeve with the help of cut the bottom part of dress and attach this. So this is almost done, and finally my top is ready. So look at this top. It's very trendy nowadays. Many teenagers use this type of dress, this sleeves and this frill like that in the front of top, also attached sleeve like that. You can see it this video. So let me know how you like my video, and keep watching, stay tuned, and wish you all for the upcoming new year. And thanks for watching my video, and see you again. Take care to all of you.